So we're obviously hitting the back here.
Is there anything going on with the glutes here?
Of course, yeah. So the back includes the glutes. So you can kind of see when I'm at the top of this.
Yeah, you can see them fire.
Yes. So I'm kind of working my way down. First I have to like use my rear delts to lift off, and then I'm going into my rhomboids and lats, and then all the way down the back to my glutes. So this is the first move. We're gonna move on to a proper Superman. Then everything comes up off the ground, so legs come up in a similar shape, kind of like a little star, not quite as wide. So mimic on the bottom what you're doing on the top. So you'll see even more glute activation now. So hold for a little second and then return it to the ground with control. Do not flop. I don't want to hear that.
You're not coming that far up either.
No, you don't need to. So you can probably see my erectors turn on too, right along the spine, on either side of the spine.
Yeah.
There's going to be some people who are like, shut up with the kinesiology, we don't care, we just want the workout. And then there's going to be some people who love that part. All right, next up we're